Wealth isn't just for people born with talent or luck. It often comes from understanding a few simple ideas that most people ignore. Rich people don't just work harder, they find smart ways to make their money work for them, even while they sleep. While others trade time for a paycheck, they build systems that make money all day, every day. The secret behind this? It's called compounding. And it's so powerful, Einstein once called it the eighth wonder of the world. The reason most people don't see its value is because it starts off slow. But over time, it grows faster and stronger, creating huge amounts of wealth. If you're not using it, you're not just standing still, you're falling behind. Today, let's break that pattern. This isn't about dreams. It's about a simple, proven math formula that can completely change your financial future if you stick with it. 1. What is compounding and why it matters? Think of a tiny snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, gets bigger, and moves faster. That's how compound interest works. With simple interest, you only earn money on what you first put in. But with compound interest, you also earn money on your previous earnings. Here's an example. You invest $1,000 and earn 5% a year. 2. The rule of 72. A quick way to estimate growth. If you want to know how long it will take for your money to double, you don't need a calculator or an app. Just use the rule of 72. Take the number 72 and divide it by the interest rate you expect. That's it. For example, if your investment grows by 6% a year, divide 72 by 6, and you get 12. That means it will take about 12 years to double your money. If your return is 12%, it only takes 6 years. This shortcut turns confusing numbers into a clear picture. So if you're earning 10% a year, $10,000 becomes $20,000 in just over 7 years, and then $40,000 after another 7. You don't need to chase risky investments. Just stay consistent and let time and compounding do the work. That's how real wealth grows. Slowly, then all at once. 3. Why starting early changes everything. Many people think the key to getting rich is earning more. But that's only part of the story. The real key is starting early. Let's compare two people. Sarah starts investing $500 a month at age 25. Jake waits until he's 35. They both earn 10% a year. By age 50, Sarah has nearly $950,000. Jake, only $350,000. That 10-year delay cost Jake $600,000, not because he didn't invest enough, but because he ran out of time. And here's the hard truth. Jake can't catch up, even if he doubles what he invests. Time in the market beats timing the market, every time. Waiting a few years may not seem like a big deal, but in investing, it's the most expensive mistake you can make. The earlier you start, the easier the journey becomes. 4. Slow and steady wins with compounding. You don't need a big win to get rich. You need to show up again and again. That's how compounding works best. Let's say you invest $500 every month and earn 10% a year. 5. Real example. Turning debt into wealth. Meet Perry Wilson. He didn't grow up rich. He started with $10,000 in debt. But instead of giving up, he made a plan. He worked extra jobs, cut spending, and started investing. His focus? Real estate. He bought one property, used the rent to save for the next, and kept going. After 5 years, he owned 4 rental homes, each one helping pay for the next. This is compounding in real life. It's not just about interest rates, it's about using the money you earn to build more income. Perry didn't win the lottery. He used a simple rule. Grow step by step and reinvest everything. That's how he went from drowning in debt to owning a growing business that works for him. 6. The danger of compounding debt. People love compounding when it helps them, but forget it can hurt them too. Credit card debt is a perfect example. If you owe money at 20% interest, that debt grows faster than most investments can earn. So even if your stocks are doing well, you're still falling behind. Imagine running up a hill while carrying a heavy backpack. That is what high-interest debt feels like. Every month you delay paying it off, it grows. That's why the first step to building wealth isn't always investing. It is getting rid of debt. Every dollar you save in interest is a dollar you can use to grow your future. Treat debt like a fire. Put it out fast before it spreads. 7. Inflation, the hidden threat to your money. There's another danger most people don't see: inflation. Prices go up every year, but most savings accounts barely grow. That means your money loses value over time. If inflation is 3% and your savings earn 0.01%, you're actually losing money. In 20 years, $10,000 sitting in a bank might only buy what $5,500 can today. That's why keeping cash isn't safe. It's a slow loss. The answer? Invest in things that grow faster than inflation, like stocks or real estate. These aren't luxuries for rich people. They're tools to protect your future. If you ignore inflation, it eats away at your wealth little by little. But if you plan ahead, you can turn that threat into a tool. 8. Build income that doesn't need you. Most people only earn money when they work. That's called active income. But the wealthy? They build passive income, money that comes in even when they sleep. Think of things like rental income, dividends, or online businesses. These income streams don't need your full attention once they're set up. This is where compounding becomes even more powerful. You take the money you earn, reinvest it, and build systems that keep growing. Over time, those systems can pay for your lifestyle. The goal isn't to stop working, it's to stop depending on work. That's the path to freedom. You buy your time back, one smart move at a time. 9. Why consistency beats luck. No one can guess when the market will rise or fall, not even the pros. So don't try to be a genius. Instead, focus on what you can control: consistency. Keep investing regularly, even when the market looks scary. That's how you take advantage of compounding. It's like planting seeds. If you wait for perfect weather, nothing grows. But if you plant a little every day, your garden will thrive. With dollar-cost averaging, where you invest the same amount each month, you remove emotion from the process. Over years, the ups and downs cancel out, and your portfolio keeps growing. Don't chase fast wins. Trust the process, and let time do the heavy lifting. 10. Waiting is the biggest mistake. Let's end with a tough truth. Waiting costs more than anything else. Picture two friends. Alex starts investing $500 a month at age 25. Jordan waits until 35 but invests double, $1,000 a month. Who ends up with more money? Alex. Even though Jordan invested more each month, Alex had more time. And time wins every time. With just $5,000 to start and a 10% return, Alex ends up with $1 million after 30 years. That's the power of compounding. You don't lose years, you lose fortunes. The best time to invest was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Start small. Stay consistent. And remember, the little choice you make today can change your entire financial future.